Hello, everyone. I currently have a different setup today. I do not have my headset plugged in. It is currently plugged into my Xbox. I don't feel like I want to unplug it because I'm lazy. Anyways, I made a video yesterday. I uploaded it, and then I realized that I didn't upload it. So I'm making another one today. Since the one yesterday didn't come out. Anyways, you can see some aerial flood warnings over here in the western United States. There are flood warnings, not aerial flood warnings. Flood warnings, flood watches. This pink winter storm warning. This blue right here is a winter storm advisory. Winter weather advisory. My bad. This color blue right through here is a winter storm watch. And then you have a freeze warning down here, freeze watch, and a freeze advisory. Is that what it's called? Um, Heavy freeze spray warning. That. So yeah, and then yeah, there was a system that was dumping a bunch of snow in the Northeast. It is not doing that anymore. Let's just say that it moved out of the Northeast. Yeah. Let's look at this. Um, Yesterday there was nothing on this map. It was all white. But now you can see there is a winter storm watch up here, and then a hazardous weather outlook down here. South, or no, the county Dubuque is in, and to the west and east. Nothing in Wisconsin is in that though. You have all these things up here if you want to take a look at that. This is the National Weather Service and the cross. Let's look at their graphic here. This is the potential for snow Thursday afternoon into Friday. It looks like it's gonna stay north of La Crosse. Um, I looked at one of the watches or one of the counties in a watch. It was Minneapolis, and it said 4 to 7 inches of snow, and then winds up to I think 40, I believe. But it looks like the snow is gonna stay to our north. Prairie might. I'm not gonna say anything about it. Prairie might get a little bit of snow. I'm not gonna say how much because it's still a couple days out. Actually, it's tomorrow night, but still. Looks like tomorrow is gonna be the last nice day. I'd say for my area, for Prairie. I don't know about anybody else's area. I haven't really looked at that yet. We can take a look at that. I'll have to open up Radar Scope or Radar Omega. Um, you can click through this. I'll just click on this one. So basically, this is the summary of what they're saying. Yeah, winds could be 30 to 45, or 35 to 45. Oh, they already put out a snow map, possibly. So they're saying a trace to 2. I would also agree with that. 4 to 10. Holy mackerel. That's a lot of snow. March snowstorm. We will take a look at the snowstorm. I'm gonna close out of this one. We will take a look at the snowstorm right after I get done looking at this. I'm just making this video last minute. So you have a general thunder risk over here in the western United States, so California, Nevada, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, and then we have general thunder from Texas into Oklahoma. Day 2 we have an enhanced risk. So we got the marginal, Texas, all the way up into Oklahoma, a little bit of Missouri's in there, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. The slight, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and then the enhanced is Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. I do not think Louisiana is in it. It could be, might be just a sliver, but I don't think so, in my opinion. Just by the way it looks. Oh no, yeah, it is. It crosses over the line right there. So Louisiana is technically in it. The far northwestern part. I had to make sure that was right. And 4 through 8. or no, day 3, my bad. Day 3, we have a slight risk in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. And then the marginal is this green area right here. So Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. And 4 through 8, I don't think there is any. Just give me 1 second. I have to look at something, load something up on my phone. Weather Prediction Center. Keys down here like it always is. I'll just go through this. I won't really talk during it. This is from the Weather Prediction Center. So you can type in WPC or type in Weather Prediction Center. That'll be you click on this one right here, and then you can look at it yourself. This is like a chance, like let's say you live in Pennsylvania, like right where my mouse is pointing in Pennsylvania. You could see rain, you might not see rain. It just depends. Go to France, just slowly go over that. Oops, sorry. So you see that storm right here. This, it really doesn't look like it hits us, but we'll take a look. Yesterday there was a high risk over here, too high risk for excessive rainfall, and today there's only a marginal right down here in western California, and then there's a slight over here. Slight here in Louisiana, Texas, and Arkansas, and the marginal over here, and a marginal all through there. So you can see it's sort of following the severe weather. Take a look at Wintry Mix, you can see that. And then I'll do one thing real quick. Where do I go to? That one. So I can open up that. Give me 1 moment. This thing's loading up. Why can't I just... Oh, there we go. Alright. Alright. So here's the weather map. You see the winter storm watch up here, the winter weather advisories, all that stuff. We are just going to take a look at the temperature. That's alright with you. Oh, and then I guess we will take a look at the storm it's going to hit. So let's put on this. So you can see that it really warms up today. 46 in Prairie, possibly. Over here by Omaha, 60 possibly. Des Moines, 50s, mid 50s. No, lower 50s, my bad. I don't know my numbers. Let's take a look for tomorrow. It sort of doesn't want to cool or warm up. Like some of the models are showing it being still in the upper 40s tomorrow, but this is clearly showing otherwise. Unless we go back to like midnight. Yeah. I don't know about that one, Chief. But let's just take a look at the precipitation type on here. Oh, don't mind that. I had it still in the thing. So as we're going through, you can see that rain start moving in. So the warm air is pulling up from the south. The cold air is wrapping around from the north. And you can see the storms down here. It's almost like a squall line. But you can see how it's almost a sharp cutoff. It just depends on where it starts to rain first. So you can see how it looks like a sharp cutoff on here. It could look like that on the radar. It might not. You can see how they're mixing in purples and pinks. The purples is freezing rain, and the pinks is like a sleet. And there could be more freezing rain and sleet than what they're seeing through here. Yeah, this one's being really really. 16th is tomorrow. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a rainy day tomorrow or here in Wisconsin. It doesn't look like it's gonna snow that much. Like they're predicting a trace to 2 inches. We'll see if it sticks. I really do trust the National Weather Service on their predictions. We'll take a look at this one real quick before I have to hop off. Yeah, I would really agree with them. I would say, in my opinion, I would say 0 to 1. But this thing, even though it's saying it's raining right here, what hour is it on? 34. Let's look at the temperature at 34. Okay, yeah, so it's above freezing. Okay, I do agree with it. The models the other day were showing it being colder. Now it's showing it being warmer. So I do agree with this. Wait for it to load, and then I'll rewind it, and then we'll take a look at it. Oh, I'm not over prairie. Ooh, tomorrow it's gonna be warm. 47 degrees by 3, and then by, let's see, 7. 42. That's pretty warm. So yeah, that's about it for me. I don't have a lot of time left, so I'm probably gonna hop off. Hopefully you guys enjoy this weather video that I made. Um, what? Sorry, I just saw something on TV. I thought it was pretty stupid. But anyways, you guys take care. Have a good one. Stay weather aware and stay safe and have a good rest of your week and weekend. I don't think I'll make a video until next week. So yeah, have a good one, guys.